Hello, I'm ZAID HOSSAIN, a mechanical design engineer and 3D modeling specialist with over 4 years of experience in CAD design. I specialize in creating precise and functional 3D models and engineering design using software such as SOLIDWORKS, CAD, Fusion 360, and rendering for PShot. My goal is to transform ideas into practical, manufacturable solutions. I have worked on a variety of projects including industrial machinery component, product prototype, 3D conversion, and furniture design. I also have hands-on experience with 3D printing and rapid prototyping through fabrication laboratory at Kuwait. I am a certified SolidWorks professional and certified by the SOLIDWORKS system, and I have participated in several national CAD competitions that strengthened my problem-solving and design innovation skills. Currently, I am a fresh graduate. I have completed my Bachelor of Science in Industrial and Production Engineering at Pune University of Engineering and Technology. I am passionate about bridging the gap between the concept and reality by delivering efficient, innovative, and high-quality engineering designs. If you are looking for a reliable CAD designer to bring your idea to life, I would be happy to work with you. Thank you for watching.